Hello everyone, hope you're fine and doing well. In my today's video, I will tell you about the Bluetooth problem in your device Vivo IQOO 9 Pro. But before starting the video, if you are new to my channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon. So now let's move to the topic. If your device is having the Bluetooth issue, Bluetooth is not working or not connecting in your device Vivo IQOO 9 Pro, you can solve this issue by the method as I am showing in this video. So follow the steps and watch complete video and you will learn how you can solve the Bluetooth problem in your device. Let's watch the video.